Habit 1. Wake up on your terms. Weak men hit snooze, roll over, and start scrolling. Strong men wake up with control. No chaos, no rushing, no reactivity. The way you wake up sets the tone for your whole day, and if you start with purpose, the rest of the day follows. Habit 2. Train every day. Your body is the foundation of your strength. You don't need a 2-hour workout, but you do need to move. Push-ups, a run, stretching, it all counts. You don't train just to look good, you train to stay capable. So when life demands more from you, you're ready. Habit 3. Stay off your phone in the morning. Weak men start their day with other people's thoughts. Strong men start with their own. Read a page, write something down, or sit in silence. If you don't lead your mind, your screen will lead it for you. Habit 4. Clean your space. Clutter lowers your standards without you even realizing it. Strong men build discipline in the small things, making the bed, organizing the desk, keeping order in their environment. If your room is messy, don't expect your mind to feel sharp. Habit 5. Do something hard on purpose every day. Strength grows where comfort ends. Whether it's a cold shower, an intense workout, or tackling the task you've been avoiding, choosing difficulty makes you stronger. Weak men run from discomfort. Strong men walk into it. Habit 6. Stick to your word. It doesn't matter if no one's watching. If you said you'd do it, follow through. Integrity in private builds real respect for yourself. Every time you break your own word, you chip away at your identity. Every time you keep it, you reinforce who you are. Habit 7. Limit weak inputs. Weak men consume gossip, fear, and distractions. Strong men filter carefully. The videos you watch, the people you follow, the conversations you engage in, they shape you. Feed your mind strength, not weakness. Habit 8. Sharpen your voice. A man who cannot express himself cannot lead. Speak clearly, say what you mean, and don't hide behind weak words. Your voice is a weapon. Train it, sharpen it, and use it with intention. Habit 9. Reflect daily. At the end of the day, strong men face themselves. Write, ask, what did I do right? Where did I fold? What must change tomorrow? Reflection keeps you aligned, and alignment builds power. Habit 10. Create more than you consume. Weak men scroll endlessly, reacting to other people's lives. Strong men build, whether it's their body, a business, a skill, or a vision for the future. Strength is found in creation, because that's where you step into becoming the man you're meant to be. Strength isn't something you stumble on, it's built. Built through small choices, repeated daily. The way you wake up, the way you speak, the way you act when no one is watching, that's what makes you strong. So start building today and don't stop.